Woke up stiff, neck heavy, back tight, like your body hasn't caught up with your mind. This is where we break the cycle and reset your rhythm, starting from the ground up. Let's set the mat. We start right here in surrender. Feet hip width apart. Now slowly fold forward, letting your arms hang. Knees can stay soft or straight, whichever gives you more space to breathe. The stretch calms your nervous system while unlocking your entire posterior chain. I promise, if you hold this for just 60 seconds, you'll feel lighter, clearer, taller. Beginners, keep a slight bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, try grabbing opposite elbows for a deeper release. Feel that in your hamstrings yet? If not, shift your weight slightly into your toes. Let gravity do the work. Stay here, 5 more seconds. That just lengthened your back. Now let's wake up your sides. Stand tall, arms reach overhead. Now slowly lean to the right, reach beyond your fingertips. Return to center, then over to the left. Each side stretch peels tension off your ribs, shoulders, and lats. I promise, this move restores length where stress compresses your breath. Beginners, keep the arms slightly bent. Advanced stretches, press your palms together overhead as you bend. Here's something most people miss. Tight side body equals shallow breathing equals more fatigue. Can you inhale deeper as you reach? 5 more seconds. That opened your ribs. Now let's reach for the floor again. Step your feet wide apart. Inhale tall, exhale fold. Reach toward your right toes, center, then left. Let your spine ripple. Let your back line decompress. You're building mobility and coordination in one move. I promise this pattern resets more than your body. It clears out mental fog too. Beginners, reach for the knees or shins. Advanced stretches, flatten the palms to the floor with each fold. Feel that cross-body engagement yet? If not, try reaching past your toes next time. 5 more seconds. That just fired up your hamstrings. Now let's rotate your core. Feet stay wide. Now start rotating your hips in a semicircle, front to back, side to side, like you're tracing a crescent moon with your pelvis. You're not just loosening your lower back here, you're waking up your core without a single crunch. I promise, when your pelvis moves well, your posture, digestion, and spine thank you. Beginners, keep motion shallow and slow. Advanced stretches, sink deeper, exaggerate the arc. Here's a surprising truth. This move stimulates your lymphatic system. Detox starts here. Hold for 5 more seconds. That's release the base. Now it's time to finish strong. Now take it all the way around. Big, bold 360 hip circles. This is your final challenge. How smooth can you make it? Reverse the direction halfway through. This is your body's alarm clock. It says, I'm awake, I'm grounded, I'm ready. Beginners, hands on hips, keep it so. Advanced stretches, arms out, eyes closed. Feel the rhythm in your core. Can you make it to the end without breaking rhythm? You've got 5 more seconds. And you just crushed it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.